In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender and Krita to set up a 3D blueprint. Let's remove the default cube, and add the monkey mesh. In order to create a 3D blueprint, we need to have top, side, and front images. We can render them separately, and use Photoshop or Krita to manually create a 3D blueprint, but this method is faster and easier. Let's press Ctrl, Alt, and Q together to see the quad view. I'll use a light Blender theme to produce the 3D blueprint. The quad viewport can't be rendered in Blender, so we need to manually press the Print Screen button on the keyboard. The Print Screen button is located next to the F12 key. That was close. Let's create a new document Krita, and paste the image by using Ctrl+V, shortcut. Trim to selection, will crop the selection. To use the blueprint image, then we can go to top, side, and front viewports and manually add the image like this. We need to apply some transparency and match the red, blue, or green lines with the current viewport. That's how we produce and use the 3D blueprint in Blender. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.